Good morning, Basic 3. How are you today? I know you are doing great. I'm taking you numeracy, and the topic is common multiples. What did I say? Common multiples. Before we go to common multiples, remember our last topic, I taught you multiples. And what are multiples? Multiples are the answers to multiplication table. You know, when you want to recite multiplication table, for example, multiplication table 2, you say 2 times 0 is 0, 2 times 1, 2, 2 times 2, 4, so on and so forth. But when it comes to multiples, you don't say 2 times 1 is 2. You just give the answers 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, like that. Then we are talking of common multiples. What are common multiples? Common multiples are multiples that appear in two sets of multiples. Common multiples are multiples that appear in two sets of multiples. Examples: write the first 10 multiples of the following sets of multiples and write out their common multiples. Before you are asked to write out common multiples, they must ask you to write either the first 8, the first 5, the first 10, the first 12. But here you are asked to write the first 10 multiples of the following set of multiples and write out their common multiples. And number 1 is 2 and 3. Number 2 is 4 and 5. Before you write the common multiples of multiples, you have to write their multiples. Pick one after another. Now, number 1, we are writing out the multiples of 2. What are the multiples of the first 10 multiples of 2? You have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Then the first 10 multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, and 30. Now we are writing the common multiples of 2 and 3. Before you write the common multiples, I said there are multiples that appear in the two multiples. Now let's look at the multiples of 2. The first one is 2. You can't find it in 3, in the multiples of 3, so it's not common. And anything that is common is when you can see it anywhere. For example, when you come to the school compound, you enter the classrooms, the common things you see in the classrooms are the chairs, children's chairs and desks, teachers' tables and chairs. You see books, writing materials. So they are common anywhere. So the multiples must be common. They must appear here and here. Now 2 is here. It does not appear in 3. 3 is here, it's not here. You have 4, and there is no 4 here. So we'll move to the next multiple, which is 6. We can see 6 here and 6 here. So 6 and 6 that are common. They are common multiples of 2 and 3. So what it will do is we just circle it. Circle it. And when you want to circle at home, you use a pencil so that your work will be neat. Then we'll move to 8. 8 is here, there is no 8 here, so we have 9, no. We move to 10, there is 10 here and there is no 10 there. Then we move to 12. We can see 12 here and 12 here. So 12 is common. It's a multiple of 2 and 3. So it's common. It's a common multiple of 2 and 3. So we circle it. Also circle this.